I'm Stefano, one of the product team members here at Fleetio. We're constantly improving and evolving our platform with you in mind, so you can take back your time and budget while finding new and innovative ways to optimize your operation. So how will our Q2 updates help you better run your fleet? Boost fleet efficiency. A good fleet platform should make your day-to-day easier and save you money. Our new efficiency features can do both. Work order and issue automations. We want to help you focus on what really matters by cutting out the busy work that comes with managing issues and work orders. Build workflows that automatically complete repetitive tasks like updating your vehicle status when a work order is created, and then customize those workflows using unique triggers, conditions, and actions tailored to your fleet's operation. You get to eliminate manual steps, speeding up your processes while keeping them consistent. Service task-specific warranty tracking. Get smarter warranty tracking right when it matters most. With this update, you can automatically surface applicable warranties based on the specific service tasks that you add to a work order, keeping technicians informed in real time. Fleetio will filter warranty coverages and generate reports for claim management, which means reduced missed warranty claims and easier reimbursement processes. Stay on top of heavy equipment. Last quarter, we announced our yellow iron integration launches with John Deere and Caterpillar. But we wanted to take you a little deeper into how you can make sure that your heavy equipment is operating at peak performance. Heavy equipment service programs. Build consistent PM programs for your yellow iron assets with zero guesswork, using OEM-based templates for tracked and wheeled equipment. You'll be able to apply templates in bulk by asset type to assign recurring tasks and intervals across the fleet, and in turn, reduce reactive maintenance, standardize service, and extend the life of your most valuable equipment. Custom geofencing and site visibility. You can now track activity where it happens, even without physical addresses. Create custom polygon or circle-shaped geofences for job sites, yards, and other key locations on an interactive map, where you can draw or bulk upload zones, assign names, generate coordinates, and set radius preferences. Custom geofencing in Fleetio improves safety, detects unauthorized movement for your equipment and assets, monitors site utilization, and reduces downtime with precision alerts. Tap into powerful data. Having the right data is just the first step in running a seamless fleet operation. Knowing how to use that data is how you truly level up. Advanced analytics. Transform fleet data into actionable insight without even leaving your Fleetio tab. Our built-in dashboards and visualizations analyze performance metrics across your operation, so you could spot trends, set alerts, and dig deep into maintenance, inventory, fuel data, and more. Better data leads to smarter, faster decisions, while uncovering more opportunities to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Benchmarking. See how your fleet stacks up and where you can do better. We launched our 2025 fleet benchmarking report so that you can compare your fleet's efficiency and cost data against actual Fleetio customer data. Benchmarking reports are designed to help you stay competitive, set realistic goals, and keep improving based on real numbers. Drive better maintenance for every team. Maintenance is the key to a healthy fleet, and we want to make sure that you have everything you need to support every facet of your maintenance teams and tasks. Spanish translations. Bridge your team's language gap and boost productivity with Spanish language support across web and mobile. Your teams can navigate, log, and resolve issues in their preferred language, reducing training time, improving compliance, and speeding up task completion. Enhance tire management. Don't let tire issues take you off the road. Pull live tire pressure data from asset sensors directly into Fleetio, automatically flagging under or overinflated tires and alert teams before problems escalate. Tailored tire management is a great way to extend tire life, improve safety, and cut down on unexpected service. Motive integration enhancements. One integration with even more power. Fleetio and Motive now supports fuel card data and automated DVIR defect syncing. You can sync defect resolution status between systems and track fuel transactions alongside maintenance data. Maintain complete visibility, avoid redundant work, and improve cost reporting accuracy. Improve shop collaboration. Reducing shop downtime is every fleet manager's goal. Quick, quality repairs and paid invoices are every shop owner's goal. Our updates are designed to help both fleets and shops get assets back on the road as efficiently as possible. Repair order tracker. Know exactly where your vehicle stands in the repair process. No phone calls required. We're giving you a real-time status tracker for fleet maintenance in the shop network so that you can monitor each step of the repair process from drop-off to pickup, including when you need to take action on a repair order that needs approval. Less downtime, better planning, and no unnecessary follow-ups. Saved cards. Want faster fleet payments and better record keeping? Pay for maintenance directly at the shop using a saved card on file. You'll also be able to centralize receipts and transactions in Fleetio for easy reference, making expense tracking and maintenance cost control a breeze. Vendor portal. We're also giving shops a better maintenance shop network with faster pay and reduced admin overhead. We've launched a dedicated shop-side portal with real-time payment visibility and customer connections so that you can simplify reconciliations, track invoice status, and access more business opportunities, all while cutting down on manual tasks and staying better connected to fleets to boost revenue. Linked bank accounts. Simplify shop payments with secure, direct transfers. Link bank accounts to receive payments quickly and securely. Reduce manual processing with consolidated end-of-month payouts means faster transparency and fewer accounting headaches. Want to get a closer look at what we've been working on? Reach out to your support rep or schedule a personalized demo to dig in a little deeper.